It's been an exceptional year. It's difficult to see what the underlying trend is. We will get the price we want in the end. $10,000 isn't worth worrying about. We don't see any need for further injections of cash. They promise to have the feasibility study completed by now. Have soon. We enjoy 10 years of status quo. I just like to say that we will be reviewing the whole situation in 6 months' time. Look, we have been through all this before and we are going through it all again. We offer them an apology and we hope that would be the end of the battle. We are hoping to reach an agreement by May, but that is going to be possible now. We appreciate the need to take risks, but we have our shareholders to think of too. We understand the pressure you are all working under, but we have got a business to run, you know. We were not aware of any change in the bank size constants, but I think we shall have been informed. The loss of 4% of our business to the Australia isn't a serious matter, but it's serious enough to demand our attention this morning. So, what's going on? We are doing extremely well now, but how can we do even better? The project is underfunded. It's obvious that we made a mistake. It's worth our cappers to take on casual workers. I'm aware that it's been a disaster from start to finish. I'm certain that we are in a better position now. There's no hope of reaching our targets by the end of phase 2. There's been a decrease in demand, and yet sales are up on last year. We should not be neglecting a lucrative market. There's no chance of making progress. It's going to be too expensive to request the factory. It's difficult to know whether the figures are going to improve. We cannot be expected to manage on a tiny budget. It's ridiculous. It's too late to do anything about it. I will tell you how bad is the situation. Catastrophic. I will tell you how difficult it is. Impossible. I will tell you how sure am I that we can do it. Unprecedented. I will tell you how competitive are we. Unpredictable. I will tell you how good are the results. Positive. I will tell you how ensure is trend. State of the art. I will tell you how small is the risk. Spectacular. I will tell you how new is this technology. Negligible.